Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Sunday, February 19, 2023. Standing in front of you is a really interesting 1961 Lyman runabout. I find her interesting because I don't know how many boats 19 feet long I have seen as beamy. If there ever was a party boat / fishing boat, you notice I have that in the right order, she's the one. She's quite complete and very, very original, but as you can see, she needs help. So she's very, very original, but she's been in storage since 2011. I mean, absolutely in storage. Fortunately, for the most part, in inside storage. But over the years, maybe it's a good thing, her varnish, her hullside paint, her dash panel is sagging. As you can see, her interior hull sides are really in not great shape. So our challenge is to disassemble all that we can. All this seating will come out. The entire engine control system for this Evinrude will come out. That dash panel will come out. This windshield must leave the hull, and we'll just keep on working. Now, I want to use her as a bit of a lab rat because we face the same challenge. See how this varnish is beyond gone. We had one boat come in where the poor owner had taken an orbital sander and 80 grit and really said, I'm just trying to get that varnish off. Friends, this is plywood. This veneer is at best a 30-second, at best. Sand through it, and you've got alligator. You've got water infiltration issues. You will never make it look good. So we will strip this and be really careful when it comes to sanding. The rub rails need to be removed and buffed heavily. We may even have to do some body work, as it were, on the rails themselves. The hull sides and transom, we're going to take every bit of finish off this boat inside and out. That's where we'll start. The Evinrude, that was a great engine in its day. We can't tell much about it. We haven't even tried to pull the plug and then see if we can get it to turn over. But we're not outboard guys. Fortunately, there's a very, very capable outfit just down the road in the next town. This engine's going to them. The transom, happily, really looks good. You know, the standard problem with Lyman's is in this corner, around the speedometer, and here I'm concerned. See the black wood? That could mean that we are facing some rot. Looks like there's a fair amount of rot in this corner, but we won't know until we get inside. But she'll go into the shop this week, and we'll start the deconstruction process. We'll be keeping you up to date with videos as we always do. And I think this one's going to be really fun. It looks like, even though she's a 61, the hull sides are plywood, not MDO, which is a good thing because the MDO sucks. Get a little water in it and what you have is a hole. So that's our introduction to our 1961 19-foot Lyman runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.